give you guys a little view.
Hey guys, what's up? So we haven't vlogged in weeks. I'm the worst YouTuber, but whatever. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair is crazy. I'm gonna go downstairs and brush my hair. A new vlog will be starting, right? Hopefully. So said that. Happy new month, by the way. Going to the market to restock on groceries and food stuff and everything in between. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's a rainy morning and I have a lot of things to do today, you guys, but I'm going to first start off by having breakfast, and then I'm going to do my toenails, or probably my hands as well. I'm going to do them at home. I take you guys to see how I do my nails at home, not press-ons. And then I have a lot of admin work to do and something in the line of personal development, so personal work and all that. A lot of research to do as well. So I'm going to get into that later on in this vlog today. So welcome back. What I do is I file the nail, I cut it to the size I want it to be, the length, and I file it to the shape I want it to be. That way I don't tend to file so much on my nails. So I did my protective style, you guys. I'm loving the sun. And my nails, oh my god, look at that, look at how moisturized my hands are, you guys. I'm gonna plug you in on my lotion pretty soon. Ignore this devil. My hair, I did this in barely 20 minutes. Pull up in the monster hood for Sri Lanka. Where the back, the cat for Sri Lanka. I'm a monster. This impatient woman that came to Lagos.
Are you fucking want to share your yummy? Are you fucking want to share your yummy? Are you fucking want to share your yummy?
What the heck is that?
Are you fucking want to share your yummy?
Guys, this girl came here and she drank a whole bottle of Calito. Is it Calito they call?
I never
She poured this is a whole bottle. It's Calito.
It's not the whole bottle, John.
It's a whole bottle.
I took 50%. No, 75% of it.
She took 80% of the bottle of alcohol
75.
and put it inside flask.
75.
You're an alcoholic. That's the truth. You're an alcoholic. She puts it
inside. It's a sweet red wine. Not an alcohol.
Guys, alcoholics will always find an excuse to drink alcohol.
Yesterday. And I'm keeping it. I'm sipping it. For tomorrow.
Whatever. Always drink tea. Everything is better when you drink tea. Period. I don't care how you think it. Period. Drink. Oh, meanwhile, you guys, Perry brought me fufu and plantain. Which reminds me, let me go and bring out my oha soup so that I will eat some swallow.
Eh? What the fuck are you? Don't look here, why is it? Eh? Good the fuck up. Good the start give me the ginger. Give me the ginger. Give me the ginger.
And it's mad.
Even focus. Box.
All right, hey guys, so I just thought to pop in here and end this vlog because yeah, I need to upload this vlog today, so that's why I just thought I'd pop in here and end the vlog. Yeah, you guys know I'm always going to be checking out my skin, like seeing the progress of things and all that. But thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. I have more interesting videos coming up, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you get notified when I bring up new videos, and I will see you in my next videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Are going to be, you know, following through immediately after this video. You're going to see other videos being suggested to you. Please watch them and leave a comment. Always like my videos, you guys, before you even start watching. I like them. But if you got to this point, I love you so much, and bye. See you in the next one.